Hey guys, and welcome back to the Spruce and Linen channel. I'm Janelle, and today I'm going to show you how you can use an artist easel as a way to make yourself a standing frame loom. So let's get started. This video is brought to you by the Spruce and Linen shop, where you can find weaving looms, kits, tools, and supplies. Link in the description box below. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is an artist easel. I picked this one up from a store that we have in Canada called Yisk, but I will stick links for everything in the description box below, probably from Amazon, because they do have very similar ones. But you can see that I just have literally just put my loom into this easel. So I don't actually have it resting on the very bottom. I have it in these parts, and it's really nice and secure, as you can see. Oh, I didn't actually pull it down. But the way that I got it to be really secure is actually using some weather stripping. So I have literally just purchased this rubberized weather stripping that has adhesive. It's like sticky on the back. And I used that on all of these points in order for this to stay in here really nice and snug and also not damage the teeth of my loom. This is ridiculous. I will also be linking this in the description box below, and I highly recommend getting this because you don't want to damage the teeth of your loom when you're doing this, because wood on wood, it's not going to be secure, and it could potentially damage your loom. So this was only about 10 bucks. This easel was about $35, $37 Canadian. So for about under $50, I was able to set this up, and it's so handy. There are different kinds, like kinds that are a little bit more like black metal, like a typical camera tripod, which is a great option as well. I went for the wood one just because I wanted it to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Something else to keep in mind when you are choosing an easel is the spacing. So you can see here that there isn't a very wide area here that you could put a loom. So just keep that in mind depending on your frame loom. This may or may not work. As you can see, it definitely works for mine, and you could probably fit about 3/4 of an inch thick piece of wood in there, I would say. And I'll just take this out so you can see what I did here with the weather stripping. Set that aside. But as you can see, I've put the weather stripping in these little grooves down here as well. And that's just allowing something soft for the loom teeth to rest on, as well as you can see, it like squishes down. So it lets you kind of squeeze everything down so that the loom is really nice and secure. And that's it, you guys. It folds up. This one came with a little bag as well, so just keep that in mind as well. The folding ones are obviously super convenient, but I hope you guys will try weaving outside. It's so nice and refreshing, and just a change of scenery is always really good. If you try weaving outside this summer and you use an artist easel, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I love seeing you guys weave and get outside. That's always really fun. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for this traffic noise.